Hello, welcome back, guys. So today I'm gonna be getting the lip kit from HT Auto Works painted because it looks like it's finished, but I don't really like it. It's not a very clean finish. It just kind of like looks like ABS plastic. But before I do that, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna install some lights I just got. Oh, I say install some lights. I went to Target and I got some of this stuff. But yeah, no, it's cold outside, so we're gonna try to close the door at least a little bit. Well, after I get all these lights installed that way, and if I ever decide to film anything and I need to close the garage door for whatever reason, at least I can see that, and like just being able to see in general would be nice because this is a very, very dark little ass garage. Catch you guys when I'm done, you know, putting lights together and stuff. Alright guys, let's make everything nice so it don't get paint on it. Take two.
Okay, I'm in.
You're in?
Oh yeah. I'm about to rob everyone.
Alright, hell yeah, dude.
Alright, I'm coming through.
See ya. Alex is here. Alright guys, so just got the table all prepped up here. And that's it. I just, you know, put some plastic up on the wall and on the table, so it just hopefully it doesn't get on the floor, you know. Hello, sir.
I brought you a gift.
Oh, he brought us a space heater. There is a god. It is so cold in here. Alright, kids. I figure we can do this. Oh no, man. You think we should do this one first?
No, dude. I feel like we should get some practice on this. Like, this is if this gets fudged, then it works. Whatever.
If we mess up the back end, then no one's gonna really notice. Hopefully.
We gotta start with the back end though. I thought that was a brake head. No, this dude. I thought this was. I was like, why do you?
It's like you ever sanded with a brake pad before?
Yeah, I was like, oh damn, I'm really going in.
I even got us masks.
What is this for?
Same thing. You take a sandpaper and you clip it in here.
That's cool. Okay, that's what I was looking for.
It's this little thing that you guys can't see because I don't feel like moving the camera. Here. Oh, damn, girl. Look at that. Yeah.
Everything?
Yeah, no, you just stick any sandpaper you want into this thing, and it's nice because it like conforms to your hand and get back into focus. There we go. But yeah. I just realized that we're gonna like paint these things on the shit we just sanded it on.
More trash bags.
I have like 6 of them.
Why'd you put this on to begin with?
Easier to clean up.
Oh, for all the dust?
Yeah.
Oh, I mean, half the dust is on you.
For real. Damn, dude, look how fucking pitted that is.
Yeah, dude, that's all mine. Well, mine's not as bad, but like, it's pretty fucking bad.
This is what we'll do. So this is the pitting that we were talking about, and it's like really, really in there. And both pieces are like this. So what we're going to do is we're going to finish roughing up the rest of the kit, and then we're just going to go get some Bondo and go from there.
I hate you. Alright, where are we going?
Alright, so yeah, now we gotta go to, we're going to Advance Auto or AutoZone or something like that to go grab some Bondo. Then we're gonna get some food because it's like 1 o'clock and we haven't eaten. Oh, it's 2 o'clock.
2 o'clock now.
It's 2 o'clock and we haven't eaten. So we're gonna go do that. We're gonna grab some food and stuff like that. And that's pretty much it.
Lolly lolly da.
Where this dude is. Where is this dude? Hang on.
Cruising through the B-Dubs parking lot.
We got to Buffalo Wild Wings to get some stuff.
What the f is that?
What is this?
Dude, look at his license plate. Oh my god. You can't. It's
Bro.
so dirty. You can't. Oh my god. How is he not arrested? How is he not in jail?
Arrest this man. Arrest this man's.
Whose man's is that?
Whomst man's is that? That is so
plate
gross.
Was full of poop.
That is so gross. All right, but yeah, we're over here at the Buffalo Wild Wings. We can get some food before we go and we get stuff, because well, we're at that point where we're just getting ridiculous out of hunger. So we'll pick the camera back up as soon as we leave here. Yeah, we're gonna start over. All right, so that was some delicious Buffalo Wild Wings. Yeah, so we're leaving B-Dubs now. We're gonna head over to. I think I just put mango habanero sauce on my eyeball, so that's.
You want me to rub it out with my mild habanero sauce?
Yeah.
I'll rub your eye out.
Oh my god, this burned so bad.
Want me to make the other eye even?
Anyway, yeah, no, Bondo. We're getting Bondo and
Oh yeah, definitely hot.
some like fishing line or something like that to like hang up parts or some.
Yeah, some string, something.
Something to house the parts while they dry, because that's gonna need to happen too. But yeah, so we'll see you guys in a bit, I guess. I feel like, hey kids, I don't feel like messing with the camera, so I'm just gonna squat like down like this and talk to you real quick. So we have our little makeshift paint booth set up here, and then we're just gonna we're gonna test out the different paints that we got to see what's gonna look best on these back pieces. Probably do it on the inside that way, or on like the edge or something. That way it's not that big of a deal if we screw it up. And then we'll show you guys, and we'll just go from there. Yeah. All right, so we decided on we're just gonna use just satin, satin black. The gloss is like way too shiny and looks kind of cheap, so we're gonna go satin black, nice matte color. And that's what this is gonna be, is just us painting.
Oh crap.
No. All right, kids. That was I don't know why I keep saying kids. All right, kids. But
Or your Minecraft channel?
yeah, yeah. I'm a freaking Minecraft channel now. So we're just. Oh God! Oh, I completely fucked it.
Yeah.
Oh man.
Alright, we're gonna have to do more layers.
Wait. This bottom part's not even painted.
Oh, right here?
Like you could watch it not get painted.
No one painted it.
So unless you want to just watch a time lapse of us painting these parts, which I don't think you do, what I'm gonna do is just cut, and you guys will see the finished product, because that sounds way more interesting. All right, so we just finished painting everything. Everything has been painted, and now we're in the drying process. I'm going to show you some of the I'm going to show you the pieces now. So this is how the rear canards came out. You know, on camera it looks like shit.
Does it?
Yeah, it looks like shit on camera.
Well, this isn't the pretty one. I think the other one's better. This one I think is our model lip. Does it look better this on camera?
Yeah, that looks like glass.
This one is a lot better. The other one's gonna need some minor work tomorrow.
Yeah, still got to do some minor like touch-ups, just with a couple runs on the front lip. The rear canards and side skirts are, done. Yeah, I mean, all in all, pretty successful day. We took our time with it, had fun. Wasn't that bad. Got some Buffalo Wild Wings. That was nice. Did some science,
Definitely did some science.
Definitely did some science, and I think that's what we're gonna go do. I think we're gonna go back inside and eat the remainder of our Buffalo Wild Wings. Eat the remainder of our science, and that's about it. I'll see you guys tomorrow with the results. Hey, so it's been like 2 days since the last clip you guys saw. Yep, we finished painting the bumper. There were a few like little touch-ups that we had to do here and there, where we had some runs. It says no run paint, but like. I got a little overzealous on the front lip, and I had to go back and just touch up a couple small things, but nothing too big. But so it's been, like I said, it's been a couple days since the last clip, and gonna throw the lip on. So here, let me show you the stuff. Alright, so here is the painted front lip. But yeah, so we're gonna hopefully throw this on. Hopefully there's no crazy like fitment issues. Shouldn't be, I would hope. But you know, you never know. So yeah, we're gonna go see if we can't get this thing on real quick, and we'll see how it looks when it's all done. Alright, and there she is. You know, not the craziest thing in the world, but you know what? It fits well, and it's a nice little added touch. Nothing too crazy, but just enough to be like, hey, what's going on? Alright, let's do the back ones next, because they're probably gonna be the easiest. You only got like 4 holes each, so that should go pretty quickly. But yeah, so let's toss them on. Alright, sorry about that. My memory card filled up like right as I put the last push pin in. But there we go, that's it. You know, same as the front, you know, nice little just some nice little rear pieces. Okay, so the last clip you guys saw was me installing the rear canards on the back of my car. It was getting dark, so I decided like, I'm gonna pack this in, I'll do the side skirts on a different day. That was like, real time, that was like 2 days ago. So today, being Friday the 13th, of course, I'm on my way home. I'm behind this utility truck. Like, we're going like 45, 50, like, it's a 45. So we're moving along, and this guy hits a bump and launches a box of tile off the back of his car. It's a very narrow road that we're on. Like, it's either oncoming traffic or like a ditch. Well, I go to swerve to miss this box of tile, only I clip the box of tile and it shoved the driver's side bumper up into itself. Thankfully, it's just some small cracks, but the front lip got wrecked. The front lip got messed up. It definitely took the brunt of it. You can see definitely, I'll take you guys out there here in a minute. You can definitely see where the impact was, and it put a huge crack in it. But yeah, it's just really, really upsetting because I haven't even had it on the car for a full week. And of course this happens. So I'm just gonna like stitch it back together for now, and then I'll actually put it back together, I guess. Resand it and redo it. But I have other things that I'd rather mess with, and I'm gonna look into actually how to do it properly so it's still, you know, somewhat rigid. But yeah, so I'll show you guys the damage. Then we're gonna throw the side skirts on, and then that'll be it. And like, we'll see the car with its you know, cool like little lip kit on. So let's do that. Cool, and there's the finished product. Alright, here she is. Just a nice tasteful little lip kit. You might be asking yourself, Tom, how come you got the car all the way up in the air? Well, to answer that question is because we're about to do the coilovers. They came in, the right ones, I'm hoping. They match the right part number. So we're gonna be throwing those in. But you guys have to wait till next episode. Like, comment, subscribe. That's it, I guess. Tell me what you guys think. Tell me what you guys would like to see. Let me know. Till next time.